So I'm sitting here and I'm thinking of my Ntwaso days, and yeah, waking up 3 o'clock, and my alarm was this particular person, this particular Twasa. And when I think of that song, it has so much message, and me loving sleep. I mean, bengavuki. Mina even nogobela uze washo athi hayi mntanami wena shem akuthongwe uyazithandela. I'm like kwazelaphi lo cause akasiboni. And this lady, she would start the song, and trust me, you will wake up. The song, it's a vendor song, but it goes like this, ne? I'm not a good singer. It goes Chirilo, Chirilo, Rilo, Babulaile wananga, Bambulaile yo, Babulaile wa, oh Chirilo, Rilo yo, Babulaile wananga, Bambulaile yo, Bambulaile ngwananga. So it translates Chirilo, it's a cry. So it was this woman crying, saying ukuthi bambulele umntanakhe. It's a mother's cry. It's a mother's cry. Eish. Yazi futhi maso uyicula futhi kunomehluko, obviously mawucula ingoma zedlozi uzicula, and kunomehluko mawucula usedlozini as well. Futhi mawusedlozini ubona inyembezi ziyehla mtakadede, ubona ukuthi ngempela ngingenile, hayi ngempela ngingenile. Picture lo mama, picture unomkhulwane, picture uma wesizwe. You know that portrait that 80% on, if not 90, or if not all the houses they had sisakhula sisebancane, that portrait of uma oteta umntana, nini kunalo obheka umntana and uyakhala umntana uyakhala, and thinking ukuthi you would see the moon mama ophethe umntana or oteta umntana. That was when uma akhalela umntanakhe. Ijulile. If you understand, you will understand. Yeah. Hayi thokozani bantwana bedlozi.